Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Of course, it's getting a little late already. I just got home from work, but I got the Massive Audio 6.5 speakers in. So these are from Massive Audio. They are the M6S series. It's a mid-range shallow mount speaker. It comes with, looks like some sort of resistors or diodes to filter probably the highs out to get more of a mid and low bass range. But it's a real shallow speaker. It's actually insanely short. The mounting depth's just a little over 2.5 inches, not too much. What I'm going to be doing is installing them in my Ram 1500, so I bought these adapter plates, which I should have just made myself, because I'm going to have to actually cut these out a little bit more for the 6.5 speaker, because it actually mounts at a size of 7 inches. It's not really mounting flush. And of course, as always, I'm in a rush because it's about to get dark and you can't see jack when it's dark. So anyway, they are a 300 watt RMS speaker, so of course, just like the ones I have in the rear of my truck, it's going to be a little bit overkill. Not planning on using an amplifier right now, but later on down the road, if I decide to go with an amplifier, I'll have more than enough wiggle room to play with that. Let me hop right off into this and we'll get some door panels pulled apart. So I'm freaking genius. I went through the whole walkthrough about how to tear the door panel apart. I also found out that my pre-store-bought adapters didn't fit, so I had to cut out some new ones. You can see all the dirt and stuff on my hands from doing that. About 45 minutes later, then realized there was no SD in my GoPro. Kudos to me for failures. Always happens when you're in a rush. Anyway, we can still pick up here and it'll still be plenty of information on the other side. So anyway, ended up having to make my own adapters because the ones that were supplied didn't fit the actual speakers I bought. Let me kill this beeping. There we go. Didn't fit the actual speakers I bought. Hopefully I don't knock the camera out the seat. We'll go ahead and get these new adapters, homemade adapters put on. Looks like they're going to work out pretty well for the speaker. That fits nicely. Alright, so we are officially running out of daylight. I'm going to try my best to make this as quick as possible. On most electronics, your darker color of your two is going to be your positive. Most. Not all, but most. There are many acceptances. I assume I'm right, and we will find out if I am right real easily. Now that I got that stripped back, we're going to go ahead and slide our connectors on to the wires and crimp them down with these fancy dancy crimper thingy jiggers. That way I can test. Oh, I swear guys, I'm not having the best day ever. Alright, so there it is installed, boys and girls. You know what, tomorrow I'll do a little bit more with y'all, show y'all what the end results are more like, but it is getting dark, it is getting late, and I have work tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave it off at this, and we'll see you tomorrow evening in 3, 2. Just like that, we're on day 2. Of course, it's already in the evening, just got in from work, and we're gonna go ahead and finish up the speaker install, which there really ain't much left but to try it out and put the door panels back on. You can see my custom-made little brackets didn't come out half bad, and real solid, a lot more solid than I thought they would be, and definitely a lot more solid in the cardboard style I got off Amazon. It kind of sucks that those didn't work out and I had to put all this effort in. If it wasn't for these, I would have had this all done yesterday. You take that chance when you order something that you can't really physically see. I tested them out a little bit last night in the dark, and I think, ooh, wait, before I get into that, I want y'all to experience something with me. Miami Cola Bang. I've never seen this before in my life. It literally is the first time I've ever seen this, so you're gonna get my natural reaction to this. 0 calories per can. Here we go. It tastes kind of like a Coke at first. If you had just got punched in the mouth afterwards. Let me try to explain that better. It tastes like a Coca-Cola on your first sip, and then like if you had a tooth removed and your mouth is bleeding on the inside towards the end there, the aftertaste. So as long as you chug this, you're good, but don't ever stop chugging it. Starts out good, but it ends kind of shitty.
That's what she said.
Anyway, I may have a wire flip-flop somewhere, because at the higher range in the volume, it starts distorting. Now yesterday I was kind of playing it a little bit before I started pulling them out to kind of just for myself get a before and after, so I'm thinking maybe the battery may have been low. I started the truck a few minutes ago, before I decide to come out and film the finishing parts of this. But we'll go ahead and play some copywritten music. We'll crank it up and see what it sounds like.
Mama told me about bad karma. Never give a girl who got too much drama. If you're gonna fuck up with some armor, met this chick down in Arizona. She was in my car.
I'm not gonna lie. Although I did not keep the lows that the truck originally had, all the mids and highs are like super crisp with these speakers. I've got the infinities up top. In fact, you know what? I'll show you the actual infinities that I have real quick. And we'll get these door panels put back in. I've got these infinities up top. They're Infinity 2.5s or 3.0s or whatever. You can kind of see them in there. Pretty dang good speakers. They don't fit perfectly, but they do fit up in the factory holes. Just a little bit of finagling, but it actually sounds pretty crisp. So I don't think I have a wire crossed anywhere or flip-flopped. I think it's just for the fact that the truck was dead last night. Anyway, let's go ahead and pop these door panels back on, get this thing put back together, and let's get this video wrapped up, guys. So with these door panels, what you want to do is go ahead and make sure that little chingazo is put back up there. Maintain that while you get your harness for your window switches and locks. What you want to do is pick it up, push out, just like that. Make sure every pin's nice and secure. Once you get that, simple steps. Everything is really simple after that. You'll pop this guy back in. Just like so. I put this back in just because, I mean, you don't have to put this this red keeper back in, but kind of looks OEM when you do, so kind of looks like it was never touched. Pop that guy in. All right. Now we got this dude. Goes in just like that. Good thing I had to pull that lever because the door was locked. All right. Make sure everything's nice and secure in there. And my drill is over here. And these door panels go together really simple compared to coming apart. For some reason, it seems like it takes more time to get them apart. I think it's because you have to be a little bit more careful pulling them apart. And snapping back together is really easy for them. Go ahead. There you go. All right, guys. On the other side, we're gonna do a time challenge. And I want y'all to time me. See how long it takes me to get the other side back together. All right, let's just finish popping these guys in. I don't know if you saw what I just did there, but let me push it this way. You can see all the little rub marks from where the door panel originally sat. So what I did was I made sure to pull it back over to where it's covering those rub marks. That way it's back in its natural habitat. And then you pop all this stuff back in, just like so, and it holds it in there nice and neat. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I know my head's a little upside down right now. Oh, I'm missing a plug. I knew I'd end up doing something. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm not missing a plug. All right. Time on the driver's side. Let's go to the passenger side and see how long this takes me. Oh, this truck needs cleaned again. It's just been sitting in the yard. It's a damn tree. I need to... I so badly need a shop. I don't have the yard to put one here, but I'd love to put one here. All right, here we go, guys. Ready? Start timer now. Oh, get nervous, all right. All right. There it is, there it is. Pins. Oh, I should have laid this stuff out properly. Oh, maybe I shouldn't be doing a time challenge. Oh. I got butterfingers. All this stuff has been recently cleaned, so it's got McGuire's all over it. Oh, almost forgot about my little trick. There we go. There we go. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Shit. I know I can cut my time down if I just had a magnetic bit. Oh. Time. Nice. Very nice. Got a little bit of sand from the floorboard on it. And there it is, guys. Got my door panels back together. Speakers are in the doors. And probably pretty hard to see with the GoPro, but you can see the speaker through the actual grill. It's got a nice little appearance in there, so you can kind of tell it's been modified. Somebody's done something in there. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you learn something from this. If you're looking to get these speakers, I recommend them. I really do. I won't highly recommend them due to the fact that you're most likely going to need an amplifier. They sound good, but I guarantee they will sound a whole lot better and more crisp if you were to get an amplifier. I just don't want to go through the headache of running all these wires to amplify my door speakers. I might not do it. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But that's all I got for now. There's all the mods to the truck. We'll see you next time. Rep 361 Texas. We're out.